Tomorrow, radio stations across the state will unite against child abuse. The annual Radiothon to end child abuse begins tomorrow at 1 p.m. and ends at noon on Friday. Becky Parker spoke with participants in the Brainerd Lakes area and explains why they say this year is especially important for awareness.
I'm Ken Thomas along with Tess Taylor, and today we are going to talk about our 18th annual Radiothon to end child abuse.
For 23 straight hours each year, radio stations all over Minnesota broadcast a plea to combat child abuse. But in rural areas, sometimes people are surprised that child abuse is happening right in their neighborhoods.
Because I work in the child protection field, I can tell you that yes, it occurs. It occurs next door, it occurs in every neighborhood in the counties that we live in. And in fact, it's increasing.
17% of Minnesota children experience some form of maltreatment. In Crow Wing County, that number is 18%. This year, Crow Wing County Social Services saw a 25% increase in the number of child-related incidents they had to investigate. The economy and stress are factors that may play into those higher numbers.
Stress level has increased such that I think we're seeing a lot more child abuse. That's the first time since 1991 when I came to the agency that we've seen a jump like that.
And the economy is a double-edged sword since it also affects how much people can afford to give.
In some of the years since perhaps 2008 and on, our totals have been down, and a lot of that is due to the economy.
BL Broadcasting is airing the Brainerd area Radiothon at Westgate Mall starting at 1 p.m. That covers Crow Wing, Aiken, Cass, and Morrison counties. Donors can bid on auction items or call the pledge line. Some businesses and individuals challenge each other to match bids. The money funds child protection programs and education.
Some of the more noteworthy ones that have over the years been a really good source of information are the Talk About Touch and violence prevention in the schools.
So for 23 hours, aiding the fight against child abuse is as easy as dialing and donating. Becky Parker, Lakeland News.
And to donate, you can call the Brainerd Area Pledge Line at 218-454-1584 or the Bemidji Area Pledge Line at 218-444-1500.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.